Hello and welcome to Film Mixologist. Okay, so in this video what we're going to do is I'm going to put the final touches on the Weber DCNF build that we're doing. So these are the kind of nice K&N filter. They are kind of quality units, so I want to wash them as much as I wash them and re-oil them. So I used this product yesterday. Basically you soak the filter element with this product, you leave it for 10 minutes and then you clean it with water, and now the filters have been drying overnight. So now I'm ready to do the oiling of the filters, because that is kind of important, is required. So basically what you do is you want to achieve a uniform coat and make sure that the filters are nice and red in color, because this is what makes kind of the K&N filter efficient. So there we go. Now we let it soak in. There you go. Soak in for 20 minutes and that should be okay. So, and then we are ready to start. Obviously I cleaned all of the plates, and therefore if you just put it in here it will be excellent. Yeah, there we go. There you go, and you get a nice little K&N filter just like so, ready to be put on top of the carb. So now what I'll do is I'll do the other filter and I start working on this linkage a bit, because it looks a bit rough. I think we can tidy it up a bit. Okay, so just like that, through the magic of YouTubes, we've got this unit. Remember before it was quite rough. This is the actuator. So what I did, I just cleaned up a lot of the welds here that were a bit they wasn't very tidy. Coat of primer, black paint, and we've got the unit here. Now the only thing I'm trying to do is I need to work out the placement of this, because if it is this way, it doesn't seem to be right. However, let's have a look. Okay, as you can see now, I've got a scrub manifold, as you do. You know, I have one in the workshop just lying around. So I think this is the way it should go. I mean, it's not the right manifold, so it interferes a bit, so it's not quite right. But yes, it would work this way by doing like so. Let me show you a bit closer up here. So this is the way it would actuate, and it would actuate actually both carburetors. So I think this setup might just about work. Obviously not in this manifold in particular, probably because there is some interference, although you could, you know, cut some bits off and it would probably fit. So but I think the basic, let's say the basic premise of this kind of works. So I'm gonna just put it in the box and tell the customer that they can kind of arrange it as they see fit. So thank you very much for following this series. This is the end of the Weber DCNF build, and if you've got any questions, put it in the comments, and if you want me to do any other sorts of carbs, do let me know. However, do look in my playlist. I've got Holly, Delorto, Webers. I've got lots of other carb models on the channel, on the other playlists, and hacks for your workshop, all sorts of stuff. So be sure to check all that stuff out. So thank you very much for watching. See you on the next episode.